What's this shit say? Sexual needs? Physical needs? Fatigue and hunger are your shadow companions. You can track them with your armband. Always have some tin food candy on you. Once you get tired, head to a shower or return to a hub. You can always find a place to sleep there. Yeah. Artifacts. Artifacts can be found in clusters of anomalies. To find them, use detector. Some artifacts have special properties. They can heal, give night vision, etc. More info, see the artifact description. To activate an artifact, take it in your hand and press the trigger. Yep. Sounds about right. It's a ramrod. That's what it's called. I'm not making shit up. So I got my own ramrod. I don't have to carry that one. I was born with it. Ramrod!